read a quote a while ago that really stuck with me. Find someone who is a home and an adventure all at once. And for me, that is you.
Nicole, here we finally are. I don't think we could have found a better way or a place to celebrate our love for each other other than this. This year is going to be a moment that will always remain so clear in our minds for our lifetime.
Here we stand in a place that feels like home to us. Peace in the calmness of the mountains, the remote, off the beaten path feeling, the jaw-dropping scenery, and most importantly, being together is when we feel most like ourselves, most at home.
Came and changed everything.
One of the first things that brought us together was photography. And the beauty of that is that there's no shortage of photos and videos that we can look back on to see how we got to where we are standing here right now. Those adventures and experiences we've had together are what make us who we are today. And now we have the exciting opportunity to craft our future adventures and build a life together.
When you find a soulmate, they're not something wild to tame, but someone wild to run with. These mountains, this adventure that we call a life together with you as my soulmate is where I want to run wild and free forever with you. Today we turn the page to start the next chapter on our great adventure together. I never could have imagined 9 years ago we would be standing here in such a beautiful place, getting married, and all I knew was there was a reason you walked into my life in 2013.
I promise to always be here with you, to support you, and to love you. Together we are going to continue to build and design the life that we want for each other.
Oh, the grace would be enough. This is more than
Every day, every trip, our entire adventure is not about the destination, but the journey we take to get there. All we need is each other, you know, the man in our cameras and the open road. And I know that no matter where we go, it will be incredible because we're together.
Above all, I love you for the dedication, love, and support you bring into our relationship each and every day. I'll always be here, right here beside you, holding your hand as we celebrate the fun times and work through the hard times. I love you, Nicole, forever and for always. You'll always be my greatest adventure.
I am so excited to finally be able to marry my best friend in a place that means so much to us. No matter what life throws at us, I know we will get through it together. Chris, I promise to be with you always through thick and thin, support you endlessly, and always love you till the end of time. Here's to all the places we'll go. Here's to all the places we've been. And here's to me whispering again and again and again, I love you, Chris.
Love you too.